Yes, hello everyone. So today we'll discuss a numerical problem on Gauss-Seidel method with a category and where there is no PV bus in our system. Okay, so first category is where there is no PV bus. PV bus is a generator bus. So here please see the question properly. So question is to evaluate all variables after first iteration. The following data is the given. This data is the impedance data, and as we have seen, the bus 1 is the slack bus where the data of voltage and angle is given, and all the other 3 buses is the data of PQ bus is given. That is, in all other 3 buses this complex power is given. Okay, so let's see the solution. The solution is that for the category we are talking about is no PV bus. So variables to find here is, on the first bus is the slack bus, so we have to find power because voltage and angle is given, and the other remaining buses power is given, so we have to find the voltage and angle for the remaining buses. As we have already discussed, when 2 variables are given, the other 2 has to be 5. So we will use Gauss-Seidel method for this particular iterations. We have to find only answer till first iteration. It's already specified in the question. So step 1 is read system data and formulate Y bus. So first thing is to find the Y bus. So I have already done this homework and find this Y bus. So we have to first see that diagonal of Y bus should be strong. If the diagonal of Y bus is not strong, then the other remaining values, then the Gauss-Seidel method will not give the accurate answer. So yes, in this particular impedance diagram, the diagonal of the Y bus is strong. Can you see Y11, Y22, Y33, Y44 all are positive values and the other are negative values. So it is larger than other values. The real power of all these is larger than the other values. Okay, real value. Okay, so we come to the step 2. So step 2 says that we have to assume initial value and put in this equation. So we have already discussed this equation, and we have to assume the unknown values as initial values, and we have to put in this equation. So let's start our first step. Since we have already, so let's start with bus 2. So when we put I is equals to 2 in the above equation, so first iteration we get is V21. So now I is equals to 2, so 1 upon Y22, this is P2 minus JQ2 upon V2 with the initial value, with angle with an initial value minus, so this is, in this equation we have not to put K is equals to I, remember that. Okay, so YIK, so I is equals to 2, so Y21 V1 minus I cannot, K cannot be I, so K cannot be 2, so that's why we have taken this 3 value. So Y23 V3 where I is 2. Okay, now we have in values of bus voltage 3 and bus voltage 4 of only voltage values. We have initial values, so we have to assume these values first. So let's see, the normal assumption we have to take generally is the voltage of slack voltage can be assumed as the voltage of the other voltages, other buses. It is the most appropriate assumption we have to do, we should do, so that the minimum losses assumption is this. Okay, so assume V20 is also equal to the slack bus voltage and angle, similarly V30, similarly V40. So wherever we have to put the initial values, put these values in particular first iteration. Now comes its solution. So we have to put the data from our given data. So we have admittance diagram. So from admittance diagram put this Y22. So let's see the admittance diagram. So this is the admittance diagram. Here Y22 is 3.6 minus J11. Okay, so I have put this data here, 1 upon 3.6 minus J11. Now I have to put P2 plus JQ2. Can you see P2 plus JQ2? So it's given in the question. So this is P2 plus JQ2, 0.5 minus J0.2. So I have put this, since here it is in minus and in original there was minus, so the reactive term will come under plus. Please make a note of it. Okay, now minus Y21 V1, so we will do minus minus plus because y21 की value minus में है. So let's see the admittance diagram again. Y21 is minus 2 plus j6, so it will become 2 minus j6 into what was the V1. What was V1? Can you see? V1 is 1.04 angle 0 degree. So I have put 1.04. Similarly, I can put other values as well, y23 and y24. Okay. So all these are in minus. So please make sure to correct the sign. Okay. Now, after the calculation, so this calculation can be done by calculator. Convert all of them into one, either polar or either other form. Then you can do it by calculator and you can solve the answer. So we get the first iteration answer of second bus voltage as V21, that is 1.038 angle 2.46 per unit. Please do it by yourself and then verify it. Okay. So next calculation of V31, we have to use V21. Please make sure it is Gauss-Seidel method. In Gauss-Seidel method, we have to use the previous answer as in the calculation of next answer, next calculation. So when we will do V31, we will use V21 in the calculation. How we will use? Now in the above equation, we have discussed our main equation. We will put I is equals to 3 to find the first iteration of V3. So I will do that. So V3 first iteration will be equal to 1 upon I is equals to 3. So 1 upon Y33, P3 minus JQ3 upon V3 0 del 3. So this is the initial value of V3. So we don't have any other value of V3, only the assumed value of V3. So I am putting here that minus Y31 V1. So V1 is a fixed value because it is a slack bus. The voltage of slack bus never changes according to our assumptions. Okay. So minus Y32. Now K can be 2 because I is equals to 3 here. So Y32 V2. Now of V2 we have an initial value. So we will not take it as 0. We will take it as 1. Please make sure of it. Minus Y3 V4. Y34, so we can't take K is equals to 3, so that's why it is K is equals to 4. So Y34 V4 0. So V4 we don't have any other value, we only have the initial value, so we will put initial value here. So again, after putting data from the question and impedance diagram, admittance diagram, the answer came out to be V31 is equals to 1.056 angle minus 4.542 per unit. So since the question is already specified that we have to do only first iteration, so these are the answers. So please specify in your solution what all answers have you reduced. Similarly, we have to find V4 because there are 4 buses. So first bus voltage is already given, so we have to find the other 3 buses voltages. So similarly, we will do for V4. For V4, now we will use the initial value as V31 and V21. Can you see? V21 and V31, and I is equals to 4. So now my first iteration came out to be of voltage for 1.047 angles minus 0.48 per unit.